This black liquid looks like something you should never pour on soil, but when I poured it on mine, the garden went wild. Plants doubled in size, growth exploded, and the soil turned loose and alive almost overnight. Gardeners call it black microbe liquid. And once you know what's inside, you'll understand why. Let's decode it. I didn't believe the hype at first. Claims of 10x harvests sound like internet fertilizer myths. But then I realized something. Every gardener who used this stuff talked about the same thing. The soil came back to life. And soil life is the real engine behind all plant growth. So instead of dismissing it, I decided to test it. Inside this black liquid is a microscopic army. Bacteria, fungi, protozoa, and enzyme-producing microbes that digest organic matter and release nutrients in the exact form plants love. But here's the twist. You don't buy it. You brew it using ingredients most gardeners already have. Not compost tea, not chemical fertilizer. Something older, simpler, and honestly smarter. Here's what I used: a bucket, a handful of forest soil, where nature builds its best microbial communities, some fresh plant matter, a little brown sugar or molasses, and water. That's it. When these ingredients ferment, the microbes wake up, multiply, and break down the plant materials into a dark, nutrient-dense liquid. You don't aerate it. There are no pumps, no equipment. This is low-tech microbial engineering. The liquid turns pitch black as the microbes finish their feast. That's how you know it's ready. I diluted it 120 and drenched the soil around my raised beds. By the next week, the soil felt different, softer, crumbly. It held moisture without becoming compacted. And the plants, they didn't just green up. They exploded, new shoots, new leaves, faster root spread, and a resilience to heat I wasn't expecting. Nothing else changed in the garden, only this. Here's the secret. Plants don't eat fertilizer. Plants eat microbial byproducts. This black liquid delivers the workers. They feed the soil. The soil feeds the plant. You get bigger, faster, healthier growth naturally. Here's how to use it. Dilute 120 for soil drenching. Dilute 130 for seedlings. Use every 2 or 3 weeks. Store sealed, away from sun. It stays alive for months. This is not a quick fix. It's a biological upgrade. Months later, that bed still behaves differently from the rest. Earthworms moved in, decomposition sped up. The harvest was ridiculous. More tomatoes, more greens, more everything. Microbes did that. And you can brew the same thing for almost zero cost. If you want healthier soil with fewer inputs, microbial solutions like this are the key. When your soil is alive, your garden will always reward you. This is Dirt Decoded, where I make soil simple. Hit like, share and subscribe for more research-backed garden transformations every week.